Your income tax return is invalid. Save yourself from this message. Did you know your ITR will become invalid if it is not verified within 30 days of filing it? Filing and uploading your ITR alone is not sufficient. Verification of the return is an important step in your return filing process. Many taxpayers choose the option of e-verify later and submit their returns. The tax department receives your return but does not start processing it until you have verified it. You will also receive reminders from the income tax department for completing your e-verification. There are various methods of verifying your income tax return, and the rules have changed from 1st August 2022, which we will discuss in this video. Hello and welcome. I am Ekta from Clear. We have had an amazing ITR season where we have assisted more than 80,000 tax experts and 6 million tax filers in filing their returns in an average time of around 3 to 7 minutes. We are back on our mission of simplifying taxes and finances for you with another video. Do subscribe to support our channel and help us help you. Let's briefly discuss the new e-verification rule. E-verification time limit has been reduced to 30 days. If you have filed your return before 31st July, then you will need to verify it within 120 days. This shall continue. But if you file return from 1st August onwards, then the time limit shall be 30 days from your ITR filing. You will need to e-verify it within 30 days now. What if you miss e-verifying within the 30 days? Then your return filing date will be changed from the date on which you filed the return to the date of completing the verification. So what? So your late filing interest will be calculated from 1st August till the date of verification and not till the date of filing the return. Now let's have a look at various ways you can use to verify your returns. For verification of your return, you can either opt for manual verification, which can be done by signing the ITRV and sending a copy to CPC Bengaluru through Speed Post. Or online verification can be done either using OTP received on the mobile number linked to your Aadhaar, this is known as Aadhaar OTP, or by using an electronic verification code also known as EVC, and one can generate EVC using bank account or Demat account. You can also e-verify it through NetBanking or through DSC. If you have filed your return on ClearTax, we have implored you enough to complete an instant e-verification. But in any case you miss doing it, you can log into your account on ClearTax and go to My Tax Returns from My Profile section and opt for completing the e-verification. You can complete the e-verification through Aadhaar OTP, Bank EVC, Demat EVC. Just select the preferred option and enter the OTP or the code on the next screen and it's done. You can also e-verify your ITR on our Black app. You can download it using the link given in the description box below. On the app, you need to follow these 3 steps. Go to the tax filing section on the dashboard, select e-verify ITR and get your confirmation. That's it. Now let us see how we can e-verify on the Income Tax e-filing portal. Go to the e-filing portal at www.incometax.gov.in. You can e-verify without logging into your account as well. Let us see how it is done. Go to the e-filing portal, click on the option e-verify return under the home tab. Now enter your PAN, select the relevant assessment year, enter the acknowledgement number of the ITR filed, and at last your mobile number. Now click on continue. You will receive a 6-digit OTP on the mobile number registered on the income tax portal. Now enter the 6-digit mobile OTP and click on submit. If you are e-verifying within 120 or 30 days time limit, then you can e-verify through any of these options after logging into your account. These options are generate Aadhaar OTP, existing Aadhaar OTP, existing EVC, or generate EVC through bank account or Demat account or through bank ATM option. Now let us see how you can e-verify using all these methods after logging into your e-filing account. Log into your e-filing account at www.incometax.gov.in. Under e-file tab, select income tax returns and then select e-verify return. Select the ITR which you wish to e-verify. On the next screen, select the first option I would like to e-verify using OTP on mobile number registered with Aadhaar.
For verification of your ITR through Aadhaar OTP, note that your mobile number must be linked to Aadhaar and registered with the UIDAI database, and also your PAN must be linked with your Aadhaar number. A pop-up will then appear on the screen. Just tick the box and click on Generate Aadhaar OTP. Note that this OTP shall be valid only for 15 minutes. Enter the 6-digit OTP received on your registered mobile number and click on Submit. On successful submission, your ITR will be e-verified. Here, the return filing process gets completed.
Another way to e-verify your account is to generate EVC through your bank account or Demat account. Now let us see the steps.
As shown earlier, select the return for e-verifying, and on the e-verify page, various options will appear. Under Generate EVC heading, you can see an option through bank account. Select that. To verify through a bank account, you must have a pre-validated bank account. A pre-validated bank account is also must for receiving your income tax refund. To know how to pre-validate your bank account, you can refer to the link given in the description box below. After selecting the option through bank account, click on Continue. Through this method, EVC will be generated and sent to your mobile number and email ID which is registered with your bank account. Enter the EVC received and click on E-Verify. You can see a success message along with the transaction ID.
The process of verifying ITR via Demat account is similar to verification through bank account. The only difference is that EVC will be generated and sent to that mobile number and email ID which is registered with your pre-validated and EVC enabled Demat account. If you are unable to generate EVC through these methods, then there is another offline method for generating it. That is through bank ATM cards. Yes, this facility is available only via limited banks such as Canara Bank, Axis Bank, Central Bank of India, SBI, IDBI Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank. All you will need to do is visit your bank's ATM and swipe your ATM card. Enter your ATM PIN and select the option Generate EVC for income tax filing. And EVC will be sent to your mobile number and email ID which is registered with the e-filing portal. But do keep in mind that your PAN must be registered with the bank.
You can then log into your account in the e-filing portal and go to the e-verify page as shown previously and select the option I already have an electronic verification code. Enter the EVC code and click on e-verify.
If you want to e-verify through NetBanking facility, you need to have an active NetBanking facility of your bank account. Now let us see the steps.
On the e-verify page, select through NetBanking option and click on the continue button. You can now select the bank which you want to verify your ITR through and click on the continue button. Next, you will be required to log into the NetBanking of your bank account. Select e-verify option which is usually under the Tax tab. You will now be redirected to the e-filing website of the Income Tax Department. Go to the respective ITR form and click on e-verify. Your tax return will be e-verified successfully.
These methods can be used for ITR verification if your books of accounts are not audited. However, if tax audit is applicable for you, then the return must be verified using a digital signature certificate, that's a DSC.
If you are verifying the return after 120 days or 30-day time limit, then you will have to submit the condonation request. Follow these steps. If you try e-verifying, you will see a pop-up like this requesting you to file the condonation request. Click on Continue to proceed. Now submit the condonation delay request by selecting the reason for delay from the drop-down menu. In case you select others from the drop-down, enter the reason for delay in the remarks text box and click Continue.
So if you have already filed your income tax return, then why wait? You can complete the verification online. If you have more questions related to ITR filing, then drop them in the comments below. We'll get back to you shortly. Thank you for watching it to the end, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel for more such informative videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.